Today is Tuesday, December 1st, 2020. Here we are with another Surfside Pier construction update. I guess at this point, look at that, we should call it demolition update. The left side of what was the shop that was there is completely gone. Quite different from the video 2 days ago, isn't it? They have this caution tape up here. You could walk out right next to Surfside here, and you can walk out and go to the left, but you can't seem to cross the little well, you can walk over to the right towards the pier. Well, that's about it. Have a great day.